So this gorgeous chickpea salad almost didn't make it to the bowl today. All because this can of a chickpeas decided to put up a fight. This chickpea salad required extra security today. Feline security. Now let's build this thing before my cat decides it's nap time. We are starting with a whole lot of crispy cucumber for that fresh crunch. With one sharp zesty red onion, sweet juicy tomatoes, take two and chop them into cubes. You won't believe this Mediterranean chickpea salad is so simple. For this salad, you just need to dump everything in. Dump in the sharp red onion, the sweet tomato, and the refreshing cucumber. And finally, the star ingredient, a handful of those amazing flavored olives. This has mild heat and amazing zesty flavor. Now for the best part, a generous dump of salty feta cheese. Now for the dressing, we need a glug of olive oil, a crack of black pepper, a spoonful of garlic, and a pinch of salt. And now we'll toss it all together. That's it. No complicated steps, just dumping incredible ingredients together. It's that simple. Save this for when you need no fuss delicious meals and tell me what's your favorite dump and go recipes. Follow for more simple meals. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.